Hi there. Welcome to Anima 1D. Our goal is to break down the different aspects of type 1 diabetes so it is easier to understand. In this video, we talk about what is diabetes. If you have not already, please watch the video titled What is Glucose? This video is a continuation of the same conversation. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes and is not meant to replace your doctor or care team.
Susan, you asked what is diabetes? Simply put, diabetes is a health condition that is caused by high blood sugar. Over time, it can affect different parts of our body like our eyes, kidneys, and heart. Did you know the full name for diabetes is diabetes mellitus? There is another kind of diabetes called diabetes insipidus. That is not related to high blood sugars. It is related to the hormone that regulates our water intake. The only thing common to both of them is that you drink a lot and pee a lot. But beyond that, they are totally different. Remember we spoke about our body breaking down carbs to form glucose, and that rise in glucose causes insulin to be released?
Yes, insulin acts like a key with which the glucose enters the cells.
Exactly. You can get diabetes if your body doesn't make enough insulin, like in type 1 diabetes, or the body does not respond to insulin as well as it should, which is called type 2 diabetes. There are other causes of diabetes too. Some are due to genetic defects that affect how insulin works. Some women get diabetes when they are pregnant. Regardless of the cause, what is common is that the blood sugar is too high.
If the causes are different, does this mean that how you treat it is different too?
That is right. In type 1, we treat with insulin because that is what the body is missing. Type 2 diabetes, diabetes during pregnancy, and the genetic causes are all managed differently. Regardless of the cause, it is important to keep your blood sugars in range. If not, over time, high blood sugar can affect the body.
I heard about that. Can you explain a little as to how high blood sugar affects the body?
If the blood sugar has been too high for years, it can damage the tiny blood vessels that nourish different parts of our bodies. In our eyes, it can affect our vision gradually. In the heart, it can increase the risk of a heart attack, and in the brain, it can increase the risk for stroke. Damage to the small blood vessels in the kidneys can affect the filtering system. This can also affect the little vessels feeding the nerves to our fingers and toes, leads to tingling, numbness, or a burning sensation. What is important to remember is that keeping your sugars in range as much as possible makes a difference in decreasing the risk for these complications.
Thanks, Lisa. Let me recap so I know how to explain it to me as cousins. Diabetes is a condition caused by the blood sugar being too high. There are many causes for it, not just type 1 diabetes. It can affect different parts of the body over time, but keeping the blood sugar in range as much as possible can have a positive effect. That is why we need to work on it now.
You summed it up well. I think they'll get the gist of it. We hope this helps you understand what diabetes is. Please check out more videos on our website through the link below. Again, please remember that this is for informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.